Travel insurance versus single trip versus multi-trip versus adventure sports versus gadget versus winter sports versus cancellation. Which one is better for travelers? Travel insurance can be confusing, and most travelers get it wrong by assuming one policy covers every scenario. The surprising truth is that single trip, multi-trip, adventure sports, gadget, winter sports, and cancellation insurance all serve very different purposes. Picking the wrong policy could leave you paying out of pocket for emergencies abroad. Single trip insurance is ideal for occasional travelers or one-off vacations. It covers medical emergencies, lost luggage, and trip disruption for a single journey, usually up to a year in duration. Multi-trip insurance suits frequent flyers, covering unlimited trips over a year. It's cost-effective for families or business travelers who travel several times a year, saving money compared to multiple single-trip policies. Adventure sports insurance is necessary for thrill seekers. Standard travel insurance often excludes activities like skiing, scuba diving, or bungee jumping, so this cover ensures you're protected during high-risk pursuits. Gadget insurance protects your valuables, such as phones, laptops, and cameras, from theft, loss, or damage while traveling. For tech-savvy travelers, this prevents costly replacements abroad. Winter sports insurance is specific to snow-based activities covering ski equipment, piste accidents, and even off-piste skiing. Standard policies often exclude winter sports, making specialized coverage essential. Cancellation insurance reimburses prepaid expenses if your trip is unexpectedly cancelled due to illness, travel restrictions, or emergencies. This ensures you don't lose hundreds or thousands of pounds on flights or hotels. So, which is best for travelers? Single trip works for occasional holidays, multi-trip for frequent journeys, adventure and winter sports for active travelers, gadget cover for tech, and cancellation insurance for financial protection. The key takeaway is to assess your travel style, activities, and possessions. Choosing the right combination guarantees safety, peace of mind, and financial security, letting you enjoy every trip worry-free.